Greetings and welcome. The practice that I'm going to guide you through today is Savasana or corpse pose. Savasana translates to corpse. It is a posture that's used generally at the end of each practice to help you integrate the asana practice that you've just moved through. So integrate all that body work that you've just done. It encourages the body to be very still and the mind to be still, but the difficulty or the challenge is that the mind remains very busy. So it will take practice for you to come to a conscious rest where your mind can be settled. So I do encourage for the setup of your practice to have as many props available to you as you can, to provide you comfort, to provide you support, and to help you feel safe within the space that you're practicing this position or posture. So I have a heavy blanket which you can either drape over you for warmth or place below your knees. I've also got a couple of smaller blankets which you can either use for your head support or place down beside you for arm support. If you have an eye pillow is wonderful to place over your eyes, or just something that will improvise place over your eyes. And I'm going to get you to set up your space to provide your comfort. So this morning I might place some support below my knees. I might use some blankets to support my arms. And a makeshift eye pillow to place over my eyes. Block out any external distractions. So hopefully you've already ensured that the temperature in the room is comfortable for you, that you're undisturbed during this practice. So everyone knows you've taken time out for yourself. And then in order to best set yourself up, you might like to gently bring the heels together and let the feet drape out towards the side. Allow your hands to rest, or your arms to rest alongside your body with your palms facing up. With the eyes closed, it is much easier to draw your attention inwards. So either the eyes closed or something gentle placed over your eyes to block out any external distractions. And then just turn your attention towards your breath once you're completely settled. Relax your jaw, soften through your face muscles. Allow a heaviness to settle over your body. And again, turn your awareness and attention to your breath, watching the rise and the fall of the breath. And then in total stillness, I'm going to allow you up to 5 minutes just to be in this space. Know that if thoughts come, to allow them to freely come. Don't fight them. as much as you can, be soft in your approach to drawing your attention back towards your breath. For right now, you have nowhere to be, nothing to do. The past is the past and the future hasn't happened yet. Be here in this moment. ever so gently turn your awareness to the space inside the room. Bring your awareness back to your body and gently start to move the fingers and the hands. Gently start to move the toes and the feet. Feel the fullness of the breath move back into your body, and if it assists you, add a full body stretch. Bend the knees, and if it feels right for you at this stage, draw the knees in towards your chest. And then gently roll your body to one side. Taking just a little moment here. As you're ready, use your arm to support you. If you can, keeping your eyes softly closed. Make your way to a comfortable seated position. If it feels right for you, draw your hands to your heart in prayer position. Bow your gaze towards your heart. And look inwards to your heart, taking a moment to acknowledge yourself, including acknowledging the time that you have just taken for yourself in this conscious practice that is Savasana. Take a deep breath in through your nose. An audible sigh or exhale out through your mouth. Breathe in deeply. Sigh out audibly. My name is Anita. I'm from Yoga on the Road. Thank you for taking this 5 or 6 minutes this morning with me to move through a difficult pose for some, not for others. I hope you've enjoyed the practice. I hope that it becomes a regular practice for you. And I hope to see you again here soon. Subscribe is somewhere here. Namaste.